Today I'm going to show you how to run Android apps on ChromeOS. First, you're going to want to go to the Chrome Web Store and get the Arc Welder tool. This is the tool that will allow you to run the Android apps on ChromeOS. Once you download that, you're going to want to click Launch App. Now you're going to be greeted with a screen that looks something like this. On your initial setup, it's going to ask you to create a folder to store your apps in. I just named mine Apps, simple as that. Next, you're going to get an APK file from the internet. Nothing that requires any reliance on the Google Play servers and services is going to work. So anything with in-app purchases or any of the official Google apps even won't work. For this demo, I've gotten one of my favorites, and that's Burning Sand 3. So you're going to want to click on it, open it up, and wait for it to load in the Arc Welder tool. Now once it loads, you're going to be brought to this screen with a bunch of options. You can run apps in landscape or portrait, put them in tablet mode, phone mode, full screen mode. There's this resize tool, can have them have access to your clipboard. Then there will be two options at the bottom, download the zip or test. It's best just to go test. And as you can see, I already have this app here, so it's going to ask me to remove it. Normally, if you want to run more than one Android app, you can hit cancel and it will still add it. But since I'm doing this for testing purposes, I'm going to click remove. So we will give it a second to load up. And as you can see, we have a perfectly functioning app. This is actually one of my favorite apps to run on ChromeOS. Now, not every app works, but quite a lot do. So some of the apps I've gotten to work include Instagram, the Android Authority app, and then an older version of a Minecraft-like app called Mind Builder. Although I will say, the Mind Builder app does have a tendency to crash a lot because it requires higher processing power than the rest. As you can see, it crashed on startup. So that is how you run Android apps on ChromeOS. It's a relatively simple process, and it can add a lot more enjoyability out of your Chrome device.